Mama Mwati asiese sisi Kennedy Japan se wono paadie wono se wonhu se Ghana asofo bi mu asesa ana the church scene se nya religion edi Ghana nya se wonhu se bibisa asesa obekoso akon because wonhu ne say yes that is one of our beings eba se Ghana yenkoso a religion asofo bi mu just se nya womode tatashi ene adwenkese ebu members no e was say ye na ye sorry etia. I've told you say Sisiano Kenya Japan is the one actually doing that work. And that asamu Kennedy Japan ediaba and they say wama a men's tabel a very strong warning. Wama men's tabel a very strong warning say e was say wo hwe ye encrophobia wodi omo tena na sorry branches no. Now let me explain this. Once most of big churches no like ICGC I don't know for Action Chapel so CCC all those big churches, Lighthouse, they say they have branches across the nation. So sometimes what happens and they say ebia mensa wotabel nensa ewo branches na se ono na ebia wo besi branch no na wape osofo bi e de na ayeden atena no even obinim kra eyesa and sometimes they see and say osofo bi e na wono ankasa obesi asori no na wakwa ko hu mensa wotabe wa che ne say oh osofo minso mesi asori bi wa ha na mepese me di udin eto asori no ne so na ebedane a branch of wa sorry kese because wa sorry no untre mu emba ha se ye obo se mensa utabo ne sa asofo no ebepene no aka so okay yedin ebeto so na trese won so wo ye branch until there are a lot of churches they are branches under the huge church they say ICGC ne nyama but mensa utabo has no dealings in it. There are some churches bia yemfa say CCC ebia wo branch ewo yemfa say Nungwa ebetumi aba ne say CCC kese na wo Kumase na the branch ewo Nungwa na ebetumi aba ne say kese no ensa ewom bibia ebesi bia no kese no ene diska eboa. But there are equally some branches bia eno o mankasa no mudi omusika eye omubibia even though there is a mother church. So that's the explanation I wanted to lay forth before. So what Kennedy Japan is saying is in sofuni bia mensa wotabe wo pene ema sebe wo mo ebe hye nase no e wo se wo hwe omu yie. And you see sometimes these churches no what they look out what they actually look at is how they spread. Osofo bi wo ho a ebia the main church e won kran ne branch e we krasi bi osofo na ate so obiesi ne branch e we krasi ma wapene but ono osofo na ngasa wontu ni nan enkohwe ho krada wontu ni nan ensi hoda but osofo no wo kasa wo bebo sa branch na ka ho say oh we have ebia 100 branches across the country. Now so the main pastor met me ato say 100 branches ni na no wontu ni nan ensi ni na da. So some of the branches is just that they want the name of the church to spread into omo peneso because ono so for name say won ankasa there won fa ne sika ngo si asori wo sa akro ne so into obi e de ne sika esi asori wo sa akro ne so na de ba ko ne pese wo de mi di nto so a de wo ho a e wo say ye kan bia no e wo say ye kan na ne pa ko no wo de mi di na eto so na me je mu ma ne pa kro no. And sometimes these big prophets and these big pastors they say men South Abonu sometimes they don't really know these pastors that much. Sometimes they don't know sir womo sub suffers na womo ewa the other branches be our krubi so sometimes they don't know them that much. So Kennedy Japan is giving a strong warning, and there should be a warning not only to Mensa Hotabel. It should be a warning to everyone. Kennedy Japan a strong warning to Mensa Hotabel say e was say wo hwe yie na enkrofo bia asɔre branches no wɔn ɛte ano no wɔn yɛ asɛe ɔno Mensa Otabil din wɔsi ɔpɛ Mensa Otabil asɛm paa wɔka Ghana asɔfo a wɔn ɛyɛ real wɔn sɛ kɛnyɛ Japan deɛ ɔka sɛ asɔfo ebi mu yɛ fake ebi mu yɛ real wɔsi wɔka Ghana asɔfo a wɔn ɛyɛ real la ɔno deɛ ohun Mensa Otabil as a real pastor but he needs to do some things right ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn ani ɛkɔ ho nkurɔfo bi ɛsɛe n'asɔre ne din and you know all these things obi bɛ bisa sa ɛbanese na Kennedy Japan ohun yɛ and ɛbanese na ɔte yɛ mema mo te aseɛ sɛ over the weekend Kennedy Japan ne Manasseh yɛ ɔmo adwen ana Kennedy Japan ɔhyɛ ase sɛ wɔ use ne platform ɛwɔ na tu expose asɔfo bi mu no wɔsi asɔfo bi a Manasseh ɛbɛbɔ ɔmo din ɛwɔ na tu no wɔn mo bɛ hu ɔno Kennedy Japan no ɛma all the fake things they do or all the fake things they keep doing no Oma can't check Kennedy Japan ɛma ne throw paper so and that is how me this story bro say Kennedy Japan was able to demonstrate to all of us to see asɔfo no sɛ no mo create saa wɔn blue anointing oil no red anointing oil no that is how Kennedy Japan was able to demonstrate to all of us and we all saw it live obi a wɔhwɛ saa show ni bia ehu yɛ into information ɛna nkrɔfo yi edman no sɛ ICGC some branches in software bi ɔmo nso saa Takashi wɔn di bu nkrɔfo ɛgye ɔmo sika edi nsɛm ɛda hɔ no so Mensa Otabil wɔ sɛ ne nan esi fam na sɛ nea me di nkankan no it's not only to Mensa Otabil but I see saa na wiase te yɛmfa ne sɛ there is an ICGC branch in Tema. Okay, no, make us say there are branches because ICGC there are a lot of branches in Tema. There was Zoe Temple. I mean, there are branches all around. Okay, so you find say Osofu bi ekodi bone. Ewo one ICGC branch. You find say ewo Tema. Na Asemba. Why na Ghana for ebe directe adie no tu? Muntie mi yo. That is why I'm saying say Asofu ni na wo mo ensoring kese na sebe they are just thinking they are just thinking of how their branches will spread without properly knowing the pastors who are handling the churches or properly scrutinizing the pastors no dia meme bisa ana dia meme kan ene se wo ma wo muni enda ho because boni bi kosia at the long run wo so for no ho na beba o mekai I think it was 2 years ago. I think so. Action Chapel. Duncan Williams now story. I think say one branch being so sa na so for bi wo ye bibi sa na Duncan Williams ebe sake so for no. So for no ebe ka say Duncan Williams has no right to sack him because on nangasa no dey ni sikasi asori no na che say wo dey ko share Duncan Williams edin or they share like there was that huge assembly. I think it was 2 years or 3 years ago. What you say? Into no sanete into no mesre in sofono. Yes, fe say on your portfolio. Sorry, the portfolio no better say we are an international church. Oh, yeah, we have 1,000 branches all over the world. Yeah, we have 500 branches. But beyond the numbers, no, I just want us to seriously think about the effect. Ebia bonibia wodi no, ebeba bedenti wu image. Ebia na wo kra no, sa asofo no obekwa kodi boni no, wu nim no. But just because you want you want to extend the name of your church into what the America no into no way bia e was in sofo no ehwe. For this particular one I support Kennedy Japan on that. For this particular one I support him into no it's for Montreal margin e will comment box no. Kennedy Japan can send be what na Asempa FM and we have an interview no and wakana join etromo. He said a lot of things. Wakan sem how Chiabosom and you know interesting thing and he said Chiabosom obeso than the president no okoko hu Kennedy Japan again and I will pay for Kennedy Japan ho yeah disaster no ever later throughout the day. Stick and stay. We have a lot of stories for you. Into no for deɛ mobɛyɛ ɛne sɛ mo subscribe na mo click notification bell ne so yɛda ase.